Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and type Mediafire.com in the search bar. Now, click on the official Mediafire website from the search results. Once you're on the Mediafire homepage, tap on the Upload Files button. Then click on the Upload icon on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the Add File option at the bottom left corner. This will open your file manager. Now, simply select the video file you want to turn into a link. Once selected, click OK or Open to begin uploading. Wait a few moments while your video is being uploaded to Mediafire. After the upload is complete, Mediafire will automatically generate a download link for your video. To share this, just click on Copy Link. Now you can paste this link anywhere you want to share. And that's it. This is how you can create a direct link, URL, for any video file using Mediafire.com. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.